There he goes. Look at him.
What is that, Champ?
Now I got me a duck.
Oh, look.
Oh, what is
Then
it?
he shows it off to everyone.
He's showing it to us now.
Christ, he's better than the kids.
All right, here you go. Champ. Champ, here you go.
He opened after we even started.
I didn't start the other one either.
You won't look at it, you get a picture.
Turn the gift around, maybe he'll look at you.
Yeah, turn the gift.
Champ, what you got?
Turn the gift around, maybe he'll look at you.
Daddy.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Get that out of your mouth. Go ahead, finish.
You come in around.
Oh, Elvis.
Sorry, get them butt out of my face.
There you go, man.
I'm blurry.
You get it?
Yeah, but